Today I am reviewing the A-Tech 128GB kit DDR4 2933 MHz 4x32GB desktop RAM. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The A-Tech 128GB kit DDR4 2933 MHz 4x32GB desktop RAM is a high-performance memory solution designed for users who need serious multitasking power, heavy workload capacity, and long-term system stability. This RAM kit is not meant for casual upgrades alone. It is built for professionals, creators, engineers, gamers, and workstation users who push their systems far beyond normal everyday computing. At the core of this upgrade is a massive 128GB total capacity, delivered through four 32GB DDR4 modules. This kind of memory configuration immediately places your system into workstation territory. For most users, standard setups range between 8GB and 32GB, sometimes 64GB for advanced gaming or creative work. But with 128GB installed, you unlock an entirely different level of performance headroom. This becomes especially valuable for tasks like 4K or even 8K video editing, large-scale 3D rendering, virtual machine environments, scientific computing, data analysis, and heavy multitasking workflows. One of the biggest advantages of this RAM kit is its DDR4 2933 MHz speed rating. While it is not the absolute highest frequency in the DDR4 lineup, it offers a very stable and balanced performance profile. In real-world use, this means smooth responsiveness, faster application switching, and improved system stability under load. Combined with a large capacity, it allows systems to handle multiple demanding applications simultaneously without bottlenecks. The CL21 latency rating and JEDEC standard 1.2V power specification further reinforce its focus on stability and compatibility rather than aggressive overclocking. This makes the A-Tech kit ideal for users who prioritize reliability over extreme tuning. In professional environments where system crashes or instability can cause data loss or workflow interruptions, consistency matters more than peak benchmark numbers. This RAM is clearly designed with that philosophy in mind. The 2RX8 dual-rank architecture also plays an important role in performance optimization. Dual-rank memory modules can often improve memory bandwidth efficiency compared to single-rank configurations, especially in systems that are designed to take advantage of higher memory density. This can contribute to smoother multitasking performance and better handling of memory-intensive workloads. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible even for users who are not advanced PC builders. As long as the motherboard supports DDR4 UDA memory and the system is compatible with high-capacity modules, the upgrade process is simply a matter of installing the sticks into the correct memory channels. Of course, as with any high-capacity memory upgrade, checking motherboard compatibility and slot configuration is important before installation to ensure optimal performance. Once installed, the difference in system capability is immediately noticeable, especially in workloads that rely heavily on RAM. For example, content creators working with large Adobe Premiere Pro projects, After Effects compositions, or high-resolution Photoshop files will benefit significantly from reduced lag and smoother timeline scrubbing. 3D artists using software like Blender or Autodesk applications will also appreciate the ability to handle larger scenes and simulations without memory limitations slowing them down. For professionals running virtual machines or development environments, 128GB of RAM opens the door to running multiple systems simultaneously without performance degradation. Developers, cybersecurity professionals, and IT engineers can simulate complex environments, test software, and run multiple workloads in parallel with far fewer constraints. Even in advanced gaming setups, while most games do not require anywhere near 128GB of RAM, having this much memory can still improve overall system responsiveness when gaming alongside streaming, background applications, and multitasking. It ensures that system memory is never a limiting factor, even under extreme multitasking scenarios. One of the strongest aspects of the A-Tech memory modules is their quality control process. Each module undergoes strict testing to ensure reliability and consistent performance. This is especially important for high-capacity kits where stability is critical. A single faulty memory module in a large configuration can cause system instability, so thorough testing adds an important layer of trust. Another important benefit is the lifetime warranty support provided by A-Tech. In the world of computer hardware, long-term reliability is a key concern, especially for users investing in large memory configurations like this. Having manufacturer-backed support ensures peace of mind and reinforces the product's positioning as a dependable long-term upgrade rather than a temporary solution. In real-world usage, the upgrade to 128GB RAM transforms the way a system behaves under pressure. Instead of constantly managing memory usage, the system gains breathing room. Applications load more smoothly, multitasking becomes effortless, and heavy workloads that previously caused slowdowns can now run simultaneously without performance drops. It effectively removes memory as a bottleneck for most professional workflows. Of course, it is important to understand that this type of upgrade is not necessary for every user. Casual users, light office workloads, and basic gaming setups will not fully utilize this level of memory. However, for power users who know they need it, or professionals who regularly work with memory-intensive applications, this kit provides a significant performance foundation. Overall, the A-Tech 128GB DDR4 2933 MHz RAM kit is a serious workstation-grade upgrade built for stability, capacity, and long-term reliability. It does not focus on flashy overclocking or extreme gaming benchmarks, but instead delivers what matters most in professional computing environments: consistency, scalability, and the ability to handle extremely demanding workloads without compromise. For users building high-end productivity machines, creative workstations, or multitasking power systems, this RAM kit represents a solid and dependable memory upgrade that ensures your system is ready for heavy workloads today and well into the future.